Welcome to J&J's test video of SXMA 201. This is a 47,000 mile 1999 Miata. Hit here on the right side. Super easy to fix, but nobody wanted to do it. The hinges are a little pulled in. Really nice, low mileage. Nice bumper, nice sheet metal, nice fender. I mean, not perfect, but you don't get too many perfect ones anymore. 47,483. CD player works, tape deck works, shift knob boot. Everything's really nice. Latch is good on the cup holder. This is almost broken off, but not fully broken off. I'm gonna leave this one together with the transmission. So it'll be a motor and transmission dropout. Sure, the window regulator works. No pearl. Alright. Take it for a little drive. A really nice top on it. A little white stitching. Oh, key broke off, so I started it the old-fashioned way. Oh, yeah, that's a nice car. I don't know why somebody didn't fix it. In his tractor. This is a nice little car. Alright, that'll do it. SXMA 201 99 Miata. 47,000 miles. As always, thank you for watching, and have your pets spayed and neutered. Thank you.